All right, folks. So there was a hole in this fireplace, and that is because this was all closed up at one time. They had a gas heater here, and they kind of ran the vent out through the chimney flue. But so there was a hole there. I filled it with brick and then mortar. Yeah, so we're going to fake the brick. We're going to fake it. We're going to make the mortar look like it is brick, if we can. I know we can, folks. And so instead of sticking brick in here, we are simply going to fake it. Huh? Check that out. Yeah. What do you think? Not bad. Not bad, folks. You can see how rough the brick is already. All right, let's go up here. Let's do it with our finger. I've done this with drywall mud before, never mortar. Look at that. All right, let's go on up. Just a hole here. And if you don't believe me, go back in some videos at the house flip. And you'll see this hole. That's for sure. So no bad comments. So hopefully it won't sag. All right, so this is a full brick, supposed to be anyway. All right, so where's this? Here? Yeah, right here. Here? Let's try it. Ain't that crazy? And we will paint it white to match. How you like that, folks? Huh? Look at that. How do you like me now, folks? Look. Yeah. Yeah, that was a hole. And if you don't believe me, go check out another video of the flip of this house we've been working on, and you'll see. It's a hole. Now, I've done this same thing with drywall mud. Well, folks, that is it. I would stick something in there to prove to you that that's a hole. But I'm not going to, because it is. All right. Kind of crazy, but hey, it'll match. I mean, look, the brick is rough. See, there's the round part right there. Oh, that is it. All right, folks, we'll see you.